Hey everyone, Matt here with Moesif, and today I'm going to explain to you how Moesif monetization works in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. When it comes to Moesif monetization, there are really 3 components that we need to be concerned with. That is the API server/gateway, Moesif itself, and the actual billing providers. So in order to get Moesif monetization up and running, the first thing that you need to do is install one of these integrations onto your API server or gateway. That can be either the SDK or the plugin. Once that's there, now API calls, which we show here, coming through either the SDK or the plugin, will then get reported over to Moesif. Once the API call data has made it through over into Moesif, this is where it gets picked up by a billing meter that you've created, which we show here. That billing meter will actually record and tally usage for how the API is being used. Once the meter has tallied up the usage for the defined period, so that could be 5 minutes, it could be an hour, it could be, let's say, a week or even a month, it will then report that usage over to the billing provider. Now this could be, Stripe or Curly, Chargebee, or Zora. Once the usage gets pushed into the billing provider then will calculate how much that usage should cost. And that will then be passed over to the subscription. And that's where the user will be billed for it. Now with Moesif, the subscription data also gets synced back over to the company and the user profile within Moesif. This means that we can, within Moesif, actually see what the current usage is for the subscription. We can see if they're doing prepaid, we can see how much balance is left, and we can actually use that to enforce paywalls and these types of things at the plugin or the SDK level. So just to review that again quickly, an API call comes in to your API server or gateway, then that usage is passed over to the Moesif billing meter where it is tallied up. Once it's tallied up, it then moves from here and gets synced over to the billing provider. The billing provider then takes that usage and pushes it into the subscription. Then from the subscription, that data, such as balance or other subscription-related events, gets synced back over to the company and to the user. This can then be used through other features within the Moesif platform, such as governance rules, where we can effectively enforce prepaid billing and cancellation of subscriptions and all these types of events. For more information on Moesif monetization, you can go to our website or contact our team for more info.